Heidi with Nest Pretty. I am the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. Have you read it? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Review it on Amazon. So much fun. I am a closet coach. I help women to curate a wardrobe she loves. And I'm here to talk about the edit. But before I do, I'm going to talk about decision making. So the power in a decision. That's what it is all about. The more you make decisions, the more stories will come up that you have to deal with. And the stories are great because it gives you an opportunity to say, hey, is this story serving me? Yes or no? If not, can I get a better story? Like, for example, I encourage people when they're going through their closet, when they're doing their purge, to ask 3 questions. And they're very simple, easy questions. Number 1, have you worn it in the last year? That one is so easy because we're just looking for facts. There's no drama. Yes or no? The second question is, does it fit today? That one requires a level of honesty and compassion for yourself. And then the third one is, do I love it? That being a 2-syllable word, a visceral love. Do I love it? So if you decide to commit to those 3 questions, not only when you are going through your closet with a hard pass, but as you curate into the future, using those 3 questions are just going to empower you. It's just going to help you to continue to curate a wardrobe you love. It's super powerful, but it does require a level of commitment. But once you commit to those 3 questions because you see the value in them and you start working through the stories that you have about those 3 questions, it becomes super powerful. That's when you start to see the transformation in your closet, aka your life. So fantastic. So tonight is the edit. 3 times for emphasis, 3 questions. Number 1, what worked? So this is a process that you can go through at the end of your day to help you to hone your wardrobe, to polish it, and to continue to curate it. So what worked is question number 1. You always start with question number 1. Why? Because it's question number 1. What worked? And you're looking at what you chose to wear today. You're thinking about it throughout your day. Is this working for me? Is this working for me? Is this working for me? Do I love it? Does it fit? And we're starting with that question because you're training yourself to look for the positive about your clothes, about your body, about your appearance, about your life. The more you look for it, the more you see it. So let us begin. Today's edit. I wore my Easy Breezy pants again. I knew the activities of today would require them, so I wore them again. They still look fantastic. They're still not wrinkled. They're still super comfortable. What? Wonderful. And then this tank was perfect for the hot and humid day. It's, perfect. I wore this little necklace for the first time. It has a tassel on it, and I put some frankincense in it. So I was doing that all day, which was fantastic. Also, when my little puppy that I take care of was misbehaving, I would do this on her nose. And then she let go of whatever. It was good. So I would say the outfit worked. I also finally got a new pair of shoes. Blue flip-flops. What didn't work? Now this is the hardest part for me, and here's why. Because I've curated a wardrobe I love. So I often have a hard time finding something that didn't work for me. I don't have anything today. These pants are so comfortable. This shirt maintains its form, its shape. It doesn't get wrinkled. It's wonderful. This is great. It's cute. Oh, these are lava rocks. I could put oils on those too. And the shoes, even though they're day one, they're great. When you are asking what didn't work, you are just asking out of curiosity. You are not judging yourself. This is not a contradiction of question number 1. Question number 3, how can I make it better? How can I make it better? How can I make it better? So you take the information that you have mined, that you have thought about throughout the day, and then you think, how can I make it better? I did make it better because I got new shoes. But that's how the edit works. Right now, I am in the process of deciding. I am doing it right here in front of you of what my 10-piece wardrobe will be for the summer. So I don't know if a second pair of pants will do it for me because I'm trying to whittle. But I hear what you're saying, especially if they would have this pant in a solid navy. I'd be all over that. I do want to say one more thing though. I like to say that hiring a closet coach, getting your closet right and tight is the highest form of self-care. And this is why I'm going to say that. I always think about, I'm going to go get a manicure, pedicure because I want to be able to be sitting in a conference proud. I want to be able to look down at my toes and be like, girl, thank goodness you have it together. It just makes you feel proud to have everything clean. And whether you wear polish or not, I usually don't, but sometimes I do on vacation. But just having everything manicured makes you feel so proud. So good. And plus there's the aspect of the relaxation, which is wonderful. So as far as these blue shoes that I've been wearing every day for the last, 4 years, they died, which is why I'm getting rid of them for sure. But the edit has made me look at them closely. And just like having your toes right and tight, you want to have your shoes right and tight. These shoes were wrong and loose. And they had peeled at the toe. They had cracked right here. And also, like I said, they were dead. They're dead. They're dead to me. And I'm throwing them away right now. But I wanted to say that editing your wardrobe is also part of your self-care routine. You want to look down at your feet, at your shoes, at your clothing, at what you're wearing, and be proud. It's such a good thing. And in that way, curating a wardrobe you love is the highest form of self-care because every morning there is no drama, there's no angst. You grab your shoes, you know that they are good to go because you did the work. I'm so glad you are here. I hope that you try the edit. And I hope that it helps you. And if it does, please tell me how. I would love to know. Because when you decide, you're probably going to have a story that comes up. Maybe the story that could come up, possibly, is, but the shoes are still good. There's still life in them. I paid good money for them. I'm not ready to get rid of them. Maybe I should give them to someone else and they can put some more miles on it. Maybe I should save them for the garden. Or maybe walking to the beach. Or I don't know. Or donate them. I should donate them. That way someone else gets to use them. So those are stories that come up. And that was due to poor connection. Because you start to question yourself, like, why is it so hard to throw away a pair of shoes that are dead? Why? Why can't I just move on? So there you go. It's work. It's so much fun. And that's where the life coaching comes in before we get into your closet and start organizing. So much fun. I hope you all have a lovely evening. Goodbye.